Most people get this wrong. They think all budget-friendly mobile carriers are basically the same. But the surprising truth is that Google Fi and Visible cater to very different user needs. Here's my breakdown of which is better today. Google Fi is a flexible carrier that uses multiple networks: T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Sprint to automatically give you the best coverage wherever you are. It's ideal for international travelers because it includes data and texting in over 200 countries without extra fees. You won't believe what happens next. Google Fi bills based on usage, so light users can save a lot. Visible, by contrast, is owned by Verizon and operates entirely on Verizon's network. It offers unlimited talk, text, and data at a flat rate with no contracts. It's a simple, predictable plan that's perfect for people who want a straightforward, all-in-one plan without worrying about per gig charges. Visible also allows hotspot usage on unlimited plans, which is handy for remote work or travel within the US. Pricing is another key difference. Google Fi's flexible billing can be cheaper for low data users, but may rise for heavy data consumption. Visible's unlimited plan is competitively priced for heavy users, especially when you factor in taxes and fees. There are none. Device compatibility favors Google Fi if you use a phone designed for Fi, but Visible works with almost any phone. Performance-wise, Visible benefits from Verizon's network reliability, which often beats Google Fi in remote or rural areas in the US. In conclusion, choose Google Fi if you travel internationally or want flexible, usage-based billing. Choose Visible if you want a simple, unlimited plan with reliable US coverage at a predictable monthly cost. Subscribe for more mobile carrier comparisons to help you choose the best plan for your lifestyle.